In this video, I want to talk to you about probation violations, what you need to know, what a lot of people get wrong, and basically what you need to keep in mind to protect your freedom, protect your future, keep you out in society, and not locked up on a violation that is, in many instances, preventable. So the first thing I want to talk about is this misconception about probation violations. And the first thing is that you have to commit a new crime in order to be violated on probation. Absolutely not true. Well, obviously, if you commit a new crime, that's an easier way for you to be violated on probation, but you don't necessarily always or oftentimes do not even have to commit a new crime. So here's the situation. You're accused of committing a felony. You get convicted of committing a felony. That felony, worst case, could land you in state prison for 3 years. But your agreement with the prosecutor and with the judge is that when you come back at sentencing, you're going to be placed on probation. In San Diego, we call that a NOLT. Acronym, no opposition for local time, NOLT. That means you're getting probation. You come back at sentencing, you get placed on probation. You get no days in jail, you get 365 days in jail, you get somewhere, some combination in between. You violate probation a day later, a week later, an hour later, a year later. You could still be sentenced to state prison up to the maximum minus whatever time you've already done. So bottom line is what to do if you're alleged to commit a probation violation is the easiest thing to do, the best thing to do, hire a quality, locally experienced criminal defense firm that could walk you through this process, whether they represented you on the underlying case or not. If you feel comfortable and like the work of the attorney in a law firm that represented you on the underlying case, you might want to start there. It's probably better to start there. They know you, you know them. They know your case, presumably, better than anyone at that point, having previously represented you. But if you have some doubts about their competency, about their care, about their thoroughness and effectiveness, then you might want to look elsewhere. And where you want to look, whether it's with my firm or anyone else out there, is you want to look for a quality, locally experienced criminal defense firm that handles criminal defense cases in San Diego, if your case is in San Diego, that has a team of support staff, that has a team of lawyers that can be there for you each step of the way. We're just a phone call away, 619-295-3555. Again, David Shapiro, San Diego criminal lawyer, 619-295-3555.